Okay, so a few weeks ago, I did a video where we opened up a whole bunch of gear from Colapz, and this is the shower that I was going to do a separate video on to test, because at the time I hadn't charged this up. So this has now been charged up. So here's the actual pumping, the actual power mechanism here, and it's just a USB charger. So lots of flexibility with USB charging, of course, in how you can charge things up on site. Okay, so first time getting this out, lots of bits and pieces to have a look at. Obviously, shower head. And got a hook here to fit on the side of something. Valves, washers. Okay, so let's try and work out how this goes together. One shower head. I think this is the pump unit. Spray gun. Okay, so I've also gone and filled up the utility bucket full of water. So that utility bag full of water. So let's see if we can assemble this correctly. First time giving it a go. Okay, so that is the pump end. Locks in place. So let's try and fit into the power supply. Fits in there, locks in place, and that powers the pump. And this is the bit that goes inside the water with the tube. So I'll just put that on here. Now, there were some O-rings in here. I think some of these might go on here. Make sure they're in place. Okay, do that up. Okay, so we'll put that in the water. The control. Okay, so I just imagine this, yeah, it's got the O-ring in there. I'll just pull that on. And fix the shower. Okay, so let's turn this on and see what happens. Hey! We have a shower, a portable shower. That's not bad flow, actually. I'm trying to hold it away not to get everything wet here, else I'll be in trouble. But yes, that's not a bad flow. I should have put I'm getting everything wet now. Let's turn it off. So that's not a bad flow. I've just got the bucket, I've just got the bag all wet. I'll try that out. Okay, so there's some lots of spare parts within there, which is good. Got the hook for the shower. The other one I wanted to try was the spray nozzle on the end of here, because this had a fairly good shower spray on it. I'll take that off and put this on. Now this will be useful for all sorts of things, spraying things down. I know when we've got a caravan, that would be useful for that, but also bikes and also the dog. Okay, so that's now fitted on there. I'm going to turn this on and the pump's going, but this has now got a handle on, so I can, that's not bad. Considering that's just a USB powered pump in the bucket, that is a pretty good jet of water coming out of that. I'm very impressed. It's not too hard though, so for washing down a dog, you don't want to use something like a power washer on them. That is not a good idea. But this is good enough that you can wash kids down. I can think wet, sandy feet, flip-flops, Crocs, or whatever as well. When we've got our canoe, we want to rinse that off as well. This is going to be really useful for that. Bikes, this is incredible useful bit of kit. So we definitely need to get this out into the field and give it a go. The water's going down the bucket, but not too much. That is very impressive. So there we are with the jet nozzle. Oh, I better turn it off before I undo it. Jet nozzle. And now we're going to try the shower. Again, just going to put it on one more time. Now I've cleared the area of things so it don't get too wet. Okay, turn on the shower. There we go. And well, it's got to be done, hasn't it? How useful is it? Yeah, that definitely works as a shower. Thumbs up!